Hey guys, and welcome to Math Know. We have 6 minus 4 times 6 minus 4 in parentheses. Okay? 6 minus 4 gives us 2. And 6 minus 4 gives us 2. Now we have one multiplication here. And 2 times 2 gives us 4. But this answer is not correct. According to the rules of mathematics PEMDAS, we have to solve this math expression in this way. First parentheses, then exponent, then multiplication or division, and then addition or subtraction. So according to this rule, we have one parenthesis here that we have to solve it first. So 6 minus 4 gives us 2. Now, let's rewrite the expression 6 minus 4, and we have one multiplication here, and 2. And as we know, according to this rule, multiplication has higher priority than the subtraction. So we have to solve this multiplication first. 4 times 2 gives us 8. Now we have 6 minus 8. Now this expression is equals to negative 2. The final answer is negative 2. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe if you like this video. Thank you for watching.